Welcome to Programming in GameMaker Studio 2. I'm Nathan Orchett, a seasoned GameMaker user, and I'll be talking us through this course. In this course, we'll learn all the main aspects of GameMaker's native language, GameMaker language, or GML for short. We'll go through some basic examples to learn all the main aspects before making our very own game to bring almost every example together into a final product. Doing this will leave us in a great position to continue making games and practicing GML. With enough time and dedication, we can get really good and make some of our wildest game ideas come to life. The course bases its entirety on programming using GML and assumes at least a basic existing knowledge of the GameMaker Studio 2 interface. To start with, in Section 1, we'll learn about variables in GML. From there we move on to Section 2, where we'll learn about functions and statements. Next, we'll look at loops in Section 3 and learn why they're so powerful and useful when it comes to repetitive code processes. After that, we'll move on to Section 4 and check out scripts, a super powerful tool in GameMaker for programming. After we've learnt those aspects, we'll already have the basics down and be ready to make our first game. We'll make a simple game and make use of a bunch of aspects from the prior videos to help solidify the knowledge using real-world examples. In Section 5, we'll go over some basic planning and setup for our game. Then, in Section 6, we'll move on to the creation of our player and enemies. To finish it all off, in Section 7 we'll create the scoring and export the game to a standalone format, meaning anyone can play it even if they don't have GameMaker installed on their computer. We'll also take a look at a few different websites that we can use to share our games or even sell them. For this course, we'll need a copy of GameMaker Studio 2 and a basic existing knowledge of how to use the interface. The free version of GameMaker Studio 2 will work fine for this, however it has heavy restrictions. The free version also does not allow for a standalone build of the game to be exported, which we do make use of in the last video. It's advised to at least have the desktop build set purchased, as it's the cheapest and provides us with all the essentials without any limitation. With all that said, let's get started.